Here we have an international garbage truck with a 4-camera system and a 1 terabyte hard drive DVR. We started by adding a front-facing camera. Along the sides of the truck, we installed 2 side view cameras. And on the back is a rear camera. Inside we place a 7-inch monitor. Putting the truck in reverse activates the rear camera and displays it on the screen. The same goes for using your turn signals. Signaling left activates the left blind spot camera, and signaling right shows the passenger side camera.
If you're looking to accessorize your vehicle, come to Moving On Sounds and Security, and we'll get the accessories your vehicle needs.